Hello, good morning to you all. Today we are going to learn something about the telephonic interview. How to face the telephonic interview. There are a few pointers written over here. We are going to discuss them one by one. First thing is why telephonic interview. The answer is it saves time and it is beneficial for both interviewer as well as candidate. It saves their time. Why it is conducted? The interviewer has something in his mind because through telephonic interview, the communication skill of the candidate and his most important is listening skill is tested. So to test the communication skill and listening skill, they usually conduct the telephonic interview. So there are a few things you need to keep in mind before you face the telephonic interview. First thing is place. You have to choose the place from where you are going to face the interview. The place should be disturbance free. There should not be any noise, any chaos, any disturbance of children, music or television और हमारे घर के बाहर कई बार बाहर की आवाज़ें आती हैं, घर में किचन में बर्तन धुल रहे उसकी आवाज़ आती है या if the dog is barking outside your house, this noise also comes sometimes. So you one need to take care about all these noises and choose a place carefully where there should not be any disturbance. Second important thing is when you are facing the interview, keep your resume ready with you on your table where you are going, from where you are facing the interview, right? Because any question can be asked through your resume, so it should be handy and you should be able to read something which is written over here. Whatever you have written there, it can be just relate with the questions asked by the interviewer. Then fourth important thing is rehearsal. Rehearsal is very important. It gives you the confidence because you have one or two rehearsals. Then when you face the actual interview, you face it very confidently. So get ready with some commonly asked questions. Give it to your friend. They will ask you the question. You reply them and record this, and then you will see how you are performing in the interview. This will enhance your confidence and this will give you additional confidence to face the interview. Another important thing about telephonic interview is get physical. Get physical means you need to be actually feel that you are physically present there and the interviewer is also physically present there. And how will you make him feel that you are physical? Through your voice, through your courtesy, through your politeness, through your enthusiasm, through your energy, through your body language, through your eye contact. All these things combined together and then it gives the physical feel. So you need to be physical with the interviewer. You have to imagine and visualize that the interviewer is just sitting in front of you and you are facing him. You have to mentally visualize him. And then only you will be able to face him confidently. Then be natural. All the beautiful things are natural. So you have to be very much natural. You don't have to be artificial while facing the interview. Be as usual as you are. Prepare yourself well and don't sound artificial. Then listening is very crucial. Listening skills are the most important. Listening skills are most important because if when the interviewer is asking any question to you, you have to be very much attentive and very much careful what the interviewer is saying. And if you are not clear about what he is saying or what he is asking, you can ask him politely to repeat the question because voice is not audible or voice is breaking or you didn't comprehend the question well. So don't force yourself to answer the question immediately, right? Then be pleasant, smiling and courteous. When you greet him, when you say like this, good morning sir, and when you say good morning sir, so when you smile and greet someone with smile and enthusiasm, then he get that feel. If you are dull, if you are neutral, then this will also get reflected in your actual performance. then whenever the question is asked by the interviewer, you should not be very much quick to reply. It is the hallmark of a wise man to think before replying any question or to think before saying anything. So whenever the question is asked, you should take few seconds to just give them impression that you are thinking and actually you are thinking and then you are replying. Right? And when the interview is over, you should be very much thankful to the interviewer that he has invited you or called you for the interview, and you also express the wish that you are expecting the positive result through the interview. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like